In this particular video, I am going to include what are the courses that NIFT is providing, what is the 4-year agenda of NIFT, and what is semester-wise agenda of NIFT. For people who know it and for people who don't, I am Shishila Khera and welcome back to my yet another video. Starting with this first thing, what are the courses that NIFT is providing? There are in total 7 courses in NIFT for bachelors. First is fashion design, knitwear design, leather design, textile design, fashion communication, and fashion and lifestyle accessory. Starting with fashion design. So fashion design is a core PMGC and garment construction subject. If you are too much into making garments and you want to express your creativity using garments and different designs, draping and all, so you must go in for fashion design for sure, because you have to engross yourself 3 years into PM and GC in PMGC labs, that is garment construction and pattern making. There are various other things also, but fashion design is a core subject for garment construction and pattern making, expressing your creativity, your designs, bringing your thoughts on board through garments. So this is fashion design for me. Coming to the next course of NIFT, that is knitwear design. In knitwear design, there are 4 specializations: sportswear, kidswear, flat knits, and intimate apparel. Currently, NIFT Kolkata is providing sportswear and intimate apparel. So in knitwear design, you have to do with knitting machines. You have to knit swatches for submissions and assignments. According to me, if I say that knitwear design have all of the stuff, including PMGC, digital, and everything, the design process, so I feel like it's combination of all of it. So yeah, that's about knits. If you are too much into flat knits, woolen, winters, or athleisure, sportswear, and intimate apparel as well, that is like swimwear and lingerie, so you must go into knitwear for sure. Coming to the next course, next program for bachelors in NIFT, that is fashion communication. Fashion communication is all about digital things: photography, videography, media, communication. It's fashion and communication, styling, visual merchandising, all kind of digital stuff. There are I don't think so there is much space. There is any space for garment construction and PMGC. So if you want to do garment construction, so fashion communication is not a good choice for you. If you are good into digital stuff like illustrations, media, and even fashion journalism, then you must go into fashion communication for sure. You're gonna enjoy it. Coming to the next course of NIFT is fashion and lifestyle accessory. So fashion and lifestyle accessory are majorly divided into jewelry, interior design, and product designing, that is UI and UX. So I think that UI and UX is currently added in the curriculum for NIFT for fashion and lifestyle accessory. I think some essence of UI UX is also there for fashion communication, but majorly for fashion and lifestyle accessory, there is deepening specialization related to UI UX, as per I know. So yeah, if you are into jewelry, are good in material handling, you have to deal with lots of machineries, cutting glasses, wood carving, you have to deal with sawdust and all. I've seen in my recent semester that people were whole into sawdust. They were wearing lots of covers to protect themselves from sawdust, and yeah, they were struggling with it, but yeah, enjoying at the same time. So if you are good in material handling, if you can deal with all of this stuff, if you are good with machineries, and or otherwise if you are going to go into UI and UX for fashion related stuff and in NIFT, so you can go for fashion and lifestyle accessory. Coming to the next program in NIFT, that is Bachelor of Fashion Technology. So Bachelor of Fashion Technology is about production, merchandising, and management, the whole behind face of the company, that is how apparel is produced after designed by the designer. It's all about BF Tech. So there are 2 segments, that is in the later part of the program, that is production and management. In the production segment, you have to continuously deal with garment construction and PMGC, whereas in the management section there is more about managing the production house and all for the apparel production. So yeah, for fashion technology, if you are there are numericals, there is maths, and this is, I think, the most important thing that you should know, that there is a bit amount of maths there in fashion technology, and there is chemistry in textile design, but I will cover that in later part of my video. So there are numericals present in like first 2 years. I don't know about the third and the fourth year, but yeah, in the first 2 years there are theoretical subjects that you have to attempt for, and you have to do a PMGC, and there is nothing like that. I don't think so, like in NIFT there is no room for girls and boys. We all are designers. So yeah. So in Bachelor of Fashion Technology, you have there is production, there is management, there is PMGC, there is machineries that deal with fashion. So you're gonna deal with machines also. So yeah, it's all about that. Coming to the next course that NIFT is providing is textile design. So before the garment is made, there is the whole process how textile is made, the fabric that is used for making the garments. So textile design have more to do with garments. You can explore different kinds of fabrics in that. Dyeing, printing, weaving, it's all textile design. So if you want to explore textile fabric more than exploring the garment, then you must go for textile design. I must inform that there is chemistry also involved in textile design. So because dyeing is all about chemicals, there are like natural or synthetic, but it's all about chemicals. So there are different other processes for fabric treatment, so you have to deal with chemistry a bit. So yeah, I think like textile design is very exploring subject, so I kind of like it. So yeah, coming to the next course that NIFT is providing is leather design. As the name suggests, leather design have all to do with leather, and at some point canvas and resin also, because I've seen my batchmates working with canvas and resin. So like they kind of deal with thick fabrics. There are leather products, there is footwear designing, leather footwear designing, leather bags. So if you want to explore leather more, so you can go for leather design. It's a whole luxury segment for the industry, leather. And so yeah, if you want to go with that, even like as I said, that if you want to bring your thoughts on board, like NIFT is all about creativity. In all of these courses you are going to bring your thoughts on board at some point of time, but I feel that in fashion designing, if you want to explore creativity in garments, that there is more scope in fashion design than in rest other subject. And also if you want to explore creativity with leather and other materials, you want to mix match leather and other materials together, then leather design is a very good choice for you. So you must go in for leather designing. Yeah, I think I have covered all of the courses that are present in NIFT, and I've provided kind of information that I know about the courses that NIFT is providing. Coming on to the next segment of this particular video, that what is the 4-year agenda of NIFT. So the first year for NIFT is foundation program for design students, and it's BF Tech for BF Tech 4-year course, but for design students there is 1 year of foundation program and then 3 year of study in their particular departments. So in foundation program you have to explore many kinds of subjects. You are mixed with students who are from different departments, but you are grouped together to make foundation program. There are several groups present in foundation programs in which students from all of the departments are mixed together. So in foundation program you're gonna deal with different subjects from communication to material handling. There are many stuffs. So for the first year in NIFT you have to do that. Coming to the next year, from the second year you are going to go into your particular departments. As I said, BF Tech from the starting is wholly 4-year course, so they are there in the department, but for the design students they are going to go in their particular department from second year onwards, and then third and fourth year in their particular departments. So this is 4-year agenda year-wise agenda for NIFT. If I divide into semester-wise, then there are 8 semester for NIFTs. First and second semester are foundation program where students are mixed together, deals with lot many subjects together. There is nothing to do with their particular departments. From the second year, from third semester onwards, students are going to go in their particular department, be it textile, knitwear, fashion, any of it. So yeah, and then from the third semester you have to decide your interdisciplinary minor. That is, you can choose a minor subject from rest of the other departments. There are particular syllabus provided to you that like in coming 6th semester what are you going to study in that particular minor subjects. So yeah, you have, like, if you don't get your department, the one that you want to be in, then there is a bit scope that you can study in that particular interdisciplinary minor. From third semester onwards you're going to choose that. From fourth semester you are going to choose your deepening specialization in particular department. There are different deepening specialization courses in each and every department. If I say for knitwear, then there are 4 specialization courses in total, that is sportswear, intimate apparel, and kidswear and flat knits. So yeah, semester 3 is for interdisciplinary minor. Semester 4 is for deepening specialization that will go throughout your journey of NIFT, that is till the 8th semester. Coming to the 5th and 6th semester, so 5th and 6th semester you're gonna study in your particular department with the same interdisciplinary minor and with the same deepening specialization. As I said, it's gonna be continued throughout your NIFT journey. In the 8th semester you are going to do your graduation project. That is, you are going to do a 6-month internship in the industry. So you're gonna go and go to different companies, you're gonna work there, you're gonna prepare your graduation project, and then you're gonna give jury at the end of the semester 8 and then appear for the placements. So yeah, this is semester wise. If I talk about the internships that are mandatory in NIFT, that you have to do it, I think like every design subject have 2 mandatory internship. That is the 2 month of internship in the summer break in third year, and then at the end of the semester, that is the graduation project. It is also an industry internship for 6 months. Whereas in BF Tech there are 3 mandatory internship. There is 2 week of internship in second year that is more kind of workshop, and you have to go into groups in different industry and then do your internship, 2 weeks of internship. And then in third year there is 2 months of industry internship and 6 months of graduation project at the end in semester 8. So that's all from my side for this particular video. I hope that I helped you a bit how departments are present. I know counseling is going on and everybody is confused that what should they choose, and trust me that NIFT is all about exploring creativity. So whichsoever department you are going into, you're gonna find your way for sure. And at some or the other point, there are some subjects that are same in all of the curriculums, that is kind of design process that is present in all of the subjects. So as I said, that you're gonna explore creativity in NIFT, and at some or the other point every subject will give you that liberty that you're gonna express yourself. I am particularly there in knitwear department in NIFT Kolkata, and I'm there and I'm kind of enjoying the process of NIFT, how it's going on, the assignments, the all-nighters, the jury days. It's all fun and I'm enjoying it. So I hope you like my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for sure. You guys give me motivation to work more and more, and do subscribe my channel. I will be there with another video for you guys soon on my channel. So stay tuned with me. Bye bye. Shishila Khera signing off.